It's Craig Chemay from ClearStarMedia.com, and today we're telling you how to get up on YouTube and how to utilize this great site to see video of your friends or some people maybe you've never met before. Well, it's a really easy site to navigate, and it's very simple to get to. I also want to tell you that I am in no way affiliated with YouTube. I'm just somebody showing you how to utilize it. So go to YouTube.com, spelled out exactly the way you would spell YOUTUB.com. When you get there, you get a regular home page. It's just like any other home page. It certainly tells you at the very top, you can see I'm signed in. Up here is my name. If I have any mail, YouTube actually allows you to receive and send mail to other YouTube members. Also, it shows you can click on my account, my history, help, log out, and then upload, in which we'll talk about later. Now, you can certainly see what is being watched right now and some of the videos that are being promoted. And then in this box, usually they have trailers for movies or different things of that nature that some of the movie studios get involved with. One of the neat things I like are these four tabs at the top. Primarily the first two tabs. If we click on the video tab, this is really neat because you're able to look at what people are watching right now. What is the most popular thing on YouTube? Because let's say you're new to YouTube and you're like, what do I want to see? What do people like? Well, you can certainly look by videos. I see videos. I can see browse by most recent. That means people that have put up videos most recently. Or most viewed. Top rated, most discussed, favorites, links, and there's more to go from there. But let's say most viewed. Today, now this is the next thing. These red dots indicate exactly what we're looking at. So most viewed today, category, every category possible. So you can see this one has 8,583 people watching it. I'm sorry, that's the rating. Has 1.8 million views. Now, what is the difference between the rating and the views? Well, the views are when somebody goes ahead and clicks on it and watches it. That makes and counts for a view. And that's how it becomes the most viewed clip of the day. The rating is once people are logged in, they can rate that clip. They can rate it 4 stars, 5 stars, 1 star if they really don't like it. So you may want to utilize the rating as well as the views. For example, we can jump back over here and you can see that this one is pretty highly viewed today, but it's 70,000, but it only has a 2.5-star rating. So you may not want to go ahead and watch that video. Now, the next thing we'll do is we'll tell you a little bit more about the site and how you can find exactly video that you're looking for. And later, we'll show you how to upload your own video.